I'm your rich uncle. I want to see my family win. Follow my advice, and you'll be the rich uncle than your family. In 2026, making money online isn't just a dream. It's a real opportunity anyone can start, even with zero experience. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or just looking for extra income, the internet has opened doors like never before. From freelancing and content creation to AI-powered side hustles, there are countless ways to earn right from your laptop or even your phone. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you simple, practical methods to start making money online step by step. No complicated skills required. Let's get started and turn your time into income. Today we will talk about how to make money online in 2026 beginner guide. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In 2026, the idea of making money online has transformed from a side hustle into a global movement. The internet is no longer just a place for communication or entertainment. It has become one of the most powerful income-generating platforms in human history. With advancements in artificial intelligence, remote work systems, and digital platforms, anyone with a smartphone or a laptop can tap into countless earning opportunities. What makes this era unique is accessibility. You no longer need a degree, large investment, or years of experience to get started. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 routine, the online world offers flexible and scalable income streams. However, while the opportunities are vast, success requires understanding the right methods, consistency, and patience. This beginner guide will walk you through everything you need to know, breaking down the most effective ways to start earning online in 2026 and how to build a sustainable digital income. Understanding the basics of making money online. Before jumping into specific methods, it is important to understand how making money online actually works. At its core, online income is built on three main principles: providing value, solving problems, and leveraging digital platforms. Every successful online earner focuses on offering something useful, whether it's a service, product, or content. For beginners, the biggest mistake is chasing quick money without building real skills or understanding the market. In reality, online earning is similar to any other business. It requires effort, learning, and strategy. You must also understand the difference between active income and passive income. Active income involves trading your time for money, such as freelancing or virtual assistants, while passive income includes earnings that continue over time, like YouTube revenue or affiliate marketing. In 2026, the smartest approach is to combine both. Start with active income to generate cash quickly, then invest time in building passive income streams for long-term stability. Freelancing, the fastest way to start earning. Freelancing remains one of the most beginner-friendly and reliable ways to make money online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow individuals to offer services to clients worldwide. The key advantage of freelancing is that you can start with basic skills and improve over time. Popular services in 2026 include content writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, and especially AI-related services such as prompt writing and automation setup. To succeed in freelancing, you need to create a strong profile, write clear service descriptions, and deliver high-quality work consistently. Many beginners struggle because they underestimate the importance of communication and client satisfaction. Building trust with clients leads to repeat work and better earnings. Even if you start with low-paying gigs, your income can grow significantly as you gain experience and positive reviews. Freelancing is not just a short-term solution. It can evolve into a full-time career or even a digital agency if approached strategically. Content creation, building a personal brand. Content creation has exploded in popularity, making it one of the most powerful ways to earn online in 2026. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow creators to monetize through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. The key to success in content creation is consistency and niche selection. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific audience, such as tech reviews, travel, education, or entertainment. In the beginning, growth may be slow, but over time, consistent posting and valuable content can attract a loyal audience. Once you gain traction, multiple income streams open up, including affiliate marketing, merchandise, and paid promotions. One of the biggest advantages of content creation is scalability. A single video or post can generate income for months or even years. However, it requires patience, creativity, and a willingness to learn trends and algorithms. In 2026, creators who combine authenticity with strategy are the ones who stand out and succeed. Affiliate marketing, earning through recommendations. Affiliate marketing is another powerful method that allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. This method works particularly well for beginners because you do not need to create your own product. Instead, you partner with companies and earn a percentage for every sale made through your referral link. In 2026, affiliate marketing has become more sophisticated, with better tracking systems and higher commission opportunities. You can promote products through blogs, YouTube videos, social media, or even email marketing. The key to success is trust. People are more likely to buy through your link if they believe in your recommendations. Choosing the right niche and products is crucial. Focus on items that solve real problems or provide genuine value. While affiliate marketing may not generate instant income, it can become a highly profitable passive income stream once your content gains visibility and traffic. Selling digital products and online services. Selling digital products is one of the most scalable ways to make money online. Unlike physical products, digital goods do not require inventory or shipping, making them ideal for beginners. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, and design assets. In 2026, platforms for selling digital products have become more user-friendly, allowing creators to launch products with minimal technical knowledge. The key to success in this area is identifying a problem and creating a solution that people are willing to pay for. For example, if you have knowledge in a specific field, you can create a course teaching that skill. Similarly, designers can sell templates and writers can publish ebooks. Once created, digital products can generate passive income with little ongoing effort. However, marketing plays a crucial role. You need to promote your products through social media, email lists, or content platforms to reach potential buyers. Remote jobs and online businesses. Another reliable way to earn online in 2026 is through remote jobs and online businesses. Many companies now hire remote workers for roles such as customer support, data entry, marketing, and programming. These jobs provide stable income and are ideal for beginners who prefer structured work. On the other hand, starting an online business offers greater earning potential but requires more effort and risk. Examples include e-commerce stores, dropshipping, and print-on-demand businesses. With the rise of automation and AI tools, managing an online business has become easier than ever. However, competition is also higher, so success depends on finding a unique angle or niche. Whether you choose a remote job or start your own business, the key is consistency and adaptability. The digital landscape changes rapidly, and those who keep learning and evolving are the ones who succeed in the long run. Conclusion: building a sustainable online income. It is also important to stay cautious of scams and unrealistic promises. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Instead, invest your time in building real skills and delivering value. The online world rewards those who are consistent, patient, and willing to adapt. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can turn the internet into a powerful income source and achieve financial independence. The journey may not be easy, but the opportunities are limitless for those who are ready to take action. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.